Anyways, here are some Goodman and one Trane XE unit. Some newer Goodman base model units. What is that crap on them? I don't know. Yeah, we can't get back there. Sweet. Alright, let's see. Stupid bug. Alright. 2001, manufactured in 2001, and this is a 60,000 BTU, so that means it's a 5-ton. I can't. Here's these Goodmans. I'll take pictures in just a second. Let's see. 60,000 BTUs from 2009, and everyone, that one's probably the same. I don't feel like hiking back there, but typical, pretty nice Goodman units. And Trane XE. Don't know what model of XE it is. Anyways, out. This is the same place as those Goodman and Trane units in the GE. Let's take a look at the ice machine. Let's see what kind of compressor this is. Reciprocating. Oh, there's a Brone. There's a Brone bath fan. I don't know what the heck that's doing in here. Oh, this one's running. Cool. We might be able to see those units from up here. I don't know. These central units. Smells like a package terminal air conditioner over here. I think this is a GE. That's nice and cold. Very cold. No, you can't see those every units. It's nice and cold. Take another picture of it. I'll be back. Another unit. This one. I don't know what kind it is. Looks like the GE. Where's the pool? I got those creepy line drains. This one, the knob's been taken off. That's a heating mode. There's those two package terminal air conditioners running on the outside. Oh crap! That Goodman just turned on. Oh, this Trane just turned on as well. Cool. Anyways, take a quick still. Those units, anyways.